Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Range Rover Sport HSE. This car comes with the 3-litre diesel turbo engine and the mild hybrid system, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 296 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 33 miles to the gallon. This is a one-owner vehicle. In fact, it was our director's previous car, which he ordered brand new from the factory, having covered just over 18,000 miles, and he always had the car serviced with Land Rover. This particular colour is the Eiger Grey, and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the typical gorgeous Range Rover interior there. Everything's in great condition. The heats are leather and heated front and rear. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention amongst the many. You've also got climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. The smart digital display there in the centre, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. As we open the rear doors, it's like a limousine in the back here, lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers in the centre there have their controls for the heated rear seats as well as their charging points. It's good to see the car's still got the original wool Land Rover carpet floor mats as well. And as we open the tailgate, which is electric, you've got the really good sized boot there. I'll just fold away the parcel shelf to reveal a nice carpeted area there, nice and clean, with the split folding rear seats. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a bit of extra storage space there, as well as your tire inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 21-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.